There are many causes for events to be affected to the point of having to be cancelled, such as illness or resignation of the organizers, so when something like this happens you will need to delete all the events that person was organizing. However, you can't do it on WordPress because the bulk edit actions are very limited, and you can get server errors, as WordPress will try to apply all the changes at once. That's why we want to show you how to do it using the Event Spreadsheet plugin, which allows you to edit thousands of events in seconds using its bulk edit tool. It displays all your events in a spreadsheet, where you can edit the values as you do in Excel or Google Sheets. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. When you edit events in bulk, you don't always want to edit them all, as in this case that we need to delete only the events organized by the same person. To do this, we'll open the search tool, which allows you to use any field as a search parameter such as keyword, author, categories, tags, etc. But in this case, we'll enable the advanced filters to have more search options. Here, look for the Event Organizer ID field. We'll use this field, as it helps us find absolutely all the events in which the organizer was participating. Select the equal operator. Enter the organizer ID in this field. And run the search. Once the events are filtered, they'll be displayed in the spreadsheet. After filtering the events by organizer, we can go ahead and bulk delete them all at once using the bulk edit tool. Once the tool was open, we'll select to edit the rows from our current search. Enter the field status. Choose set value as the edit type. The option we'll use is delete completely. Finally, execute. As you can see, all the filtered events have been deleted. Finding, editing, or deleting thousands of events doesn't have to be a headache anymore, as it is really simple and fast if you use the Event Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find the link to download the plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.